Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon C, and the good news is that I'm recovering my voice little by little. In this lesson we'll discover together l'article partitif. So what's l'article partitif? Well, basically it's when you want to say that you want some sugar, for instance, so you don't want to specify the quantity. Okay, just want to say that you want some, but you don't want to say 1, 2, 3. Okay, then as usual, we will have the difference between the masculine form and the feminine form. Okay, so for the masculine form, it will be du. Okay, du. Simple thing, D, U. This is U, this is D. Du. All right. And then for the feminine form, it will be de la. Okay? De la. Alright? Masculine form, du. Feminine form, de la. Alright? Let's see a few examples now. Je bois. Boire is to drink. Okay? So, je bois du café. Alright? So you can see the difference here. It would be possible to say je bois un café. Okay? In that case, you would translate it je bois un café by I drink one coffee or I drink a coffee. Okay? In that case, when you put this du café, so first you put the masculine form because café is masculine. Okay? And then you want to say, you don't want to specify the quantity. You want to say I drink some coffee. Okay? Je bois du café. Okay? The other option as well would be to say je bois le café. So if you want to put this article défini, but then you would have to put more information after. Le café de ma mère, the coffee of my mother, if you want. Okay? So in that case, in this lesson, we'll only focus on l'article partitif. So it's some. Okay? Je bois du café. All right? Let's see another option. Tu voudrais. So I wanted to introduce this voudrais form. Okay? So it's coming from vouloir. Vouloir is to want. Okay? But then it's not the present form here, the classic present form. It's the conditionnel form. Okay? So it's the polite form that normally we should use. So I would like to have, you don't say tu veux, you don't say you want, because it is too strong and too direct. So normally we tend to use this conditionnel form. So tu voudrais, you would like to have, and then salade, okay, and it's feminine, so you should put the feminine form of this partitif. So de la salade. So some salad. Okay? Tu voudrais de la salade. All right? Let's see another example here. Nous mangeons. So manger is to eat. Okay? And that's the form for nous. Okay? Nous mangeons du gâteau. Gâteau is cake. Okay? And it's masculine. So du gâteau. We eat some cake. Vous voulez. Okay, so vouloir again. All right, to want. Okay, but here it's the present form. Okay, do you want? Vous voulez du fromage, cheese. Du fromage, so some cheese. And it's a question. Vous voulez du fromage? Okay, and the last example here. So I've been putting this il y a, we'll see that a bit later in this unit, but it will come. Il y a means there is, okay? Il y a, there is, okay? Il y a de la neige. Neige is snow, okay? Par terre, on the ground, par terre. So there is snow on the ground. Il y a de la neige par terre. Okay, so let's repeat all these sentences. The first one, je bois du café. Second one, tu voudrais de la salade. Nous mangeons du gâteau. Vous voulez du fromage? It's a question, so I've been insisting a little bit too much maybe. Let's do it one more time. Vous voulez du fromage? And the last one, il y a de la neige par terre. All right? So I hope it was clear. Remember, it's quite important, this article partitif, and well, it's not that difficult. I can tell you that because normally my students tend to understand and use it quite easily, so no problem for you, don't worry. Check out for the next lesson and the previous lessons as well. They're on youtube.com/imagier here, and then the website is here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.